7, the La7.
This plane, it's the La7 or La 7. It's a brand new kit produced by a company in Austria called scalewings.com. There's a gentleman called Johann Scholler who's the master, arguably, of composite aircraft, and he produces a phenomenal airplane. This one here, it's third scale, just over 110-inch span, fully composite throughout. It's got German retracts in it, a company called Wabo, very, very good quality. This plane itself was the second plane out of the mould, flies really well. We debuted it at Top Gun. In fact, we debuted 2 of these aircraft at Top Gun last week, and we had great success with them. It's powered by 3W150 with a Zor 30x12 propeller, and the combination works incredibly well. It weighs in probably at about 55 pounds. It's got a smoke system on it. We carry about 60 ounces of fuel with it. And although it's a Russian aircraft, we've actually finished this one in Czechoslovakian colours. So that's why it might look a little bit unusual to those people that are not familiar with Czechoslovakian roundels and what have you. The actual lettering on the side is a tribute to the pilot. It's actually the workers of the Gorky factory, and the pilot was very, very famous, and the factory actually built a special aircraft for this pilot, and that's why it's got that denotion on the side. You'll see it fly on the video. It looks really, really good, flies really well, phenomenal characteristics, and it lands as slowly as you could wish. So if you ever get the chance to get hold of a Scale Wings third scale La 7, take the opportunity. You'll have a great time with it. Hope you enjoy the video.
Okay, how are we? Landing.